I want to tell my twin sister I love her, but what I really mean is her arm around my waist when we were half-formed halflings in mother's womb is the closest I've ever been to God. I want to tell my mother I love her, but mean I want to spoon the arthritis out of her swollen knuckles and kiss them back to nimble freedom. I want to tell my father I love him, but mean will I ever crown him with the comfort he deserves. I want to tell my nephews I love them, but mean some shadows seethe for black skin, and I want to shield them from its calling. I want to tell my people I love them, but I want them to have thrived on an uncarved continent. I want to tell my lover I love her, but mean her hug is palatial divinity, is my father's crowning comfort, my mother's dancing hand, my nephew's careless wanderings, wild as it is pure. What is it to love when all your meanings are ineffable sufferings? What is it to mean more than you can? Who else carries half hugs in inflamed hands, empty of comfort and full of shadows and ancient aching acres?
L-imħabba tmur titnejjek. Irrid ngħid lill-oħti t-tewmija li nħobba ma' dak li rrid infisseru ida madwar qaddi meta konna nofsijiet nofsna ffurmati f'ġufomna u l-eqreb talla li qatt kont. Irrid ngħid lill-ommi li nħobba imma nfisser irrid inneħħi bli marfa l-artrita mill-lekkiesi minn fuħa tagħha u nbushom sa jerġgħu jinħelsu. Irrid ngħid lill-missieri li nħobbu imma nfisser qatt xi darba ninkurunah bil-kumdità li tixraqlu. Irrid ngħid lill-nepotijiet li nħobbhom imma nfisser xi dellijiet jitbaqbqu għall-ġilda sewda u jien irrid inkenninhom mill-waqa' tagħhom. Irrid ngħid lil-nies li nħobbhom imma nfisser nixtieqhom irnexxew fuq kontinent mhux moħħfi. Irrid ngħid lill-maħbuba li nħobba ma nfisser tan-nieqita divinità immensa, il-kumdità tal-inkurunazzjoni ta' missieri li dejn żeffina tommi, nepotijieti jimirħu fil-vojt, territorji mhux imterqa, slavaġ daqskemm safja, xi jkun li tħobb meta tifsirietek kollha dbatijiet ma jitfissrux bil-kliem. Xi jkun li tfisser iktar milli tista'. Min iktar iġor nofs tan-nieqiet f'idejn infjammati erja mill-kumditajiet, mimlijin dellijiet u tomniet antiki muġuwajn.
Thank you. Thank you. Leanna's written about men as well, so we share the sentiments. Yeah. Fuck boys. It starts early. A man compliments the tight knot of his grandson's fist. Hit me, he says, holding open his palms. The boy strikes and winces. The man says, shake it off. We are men. We feel nothing. The boy tucks the tiny fracture into the sleeve of himself and strikes again. The fracture burrows deeper. Over the years, others join. This when older boys squash butterflies. This when the teacher ridicules his painting. This when the fairy's light dims in the film. They swarm inwards, a shoal of needles through meat, shredding the vicissitudes of himself. At 20, they are a nest of thorns around his heart. They flatten to a hard shell. They close and crush him in. At 30, he's imprisoned for a fight he can't justify. His heart is a gnarled knuckle now, but holds a spot of light, thin as spirit skin, in which the boy he was and the man he could have been whisper in hushed starlight, in dimmed symphonies of other ways of being.
is-subien imorru jitnejku. Tibda minn kmieni. Raġel jikkumplimenta l-pon maqut tan-neputi tiegħu. Tijieli jgħidlu bil-pali miftuħin beraħ. It-tifel jagħti u jkemmex wiċċu. Ir-raġel jgħidlu se jgħaddilek. Aħna rġiel, ma nħossu xejn. It-tifel iddaħħal il-qasma ċkejkna fil-komma tiegħu innifsu u jagħti mill-ġdid. Il-qasma iktar titħaffer fil-font, ma snin jiġu oħrajn. Din meta subien ikbar jafġu l-friefet. Din meta l-allima twaqqalu tpinġija għaċ-ċajt. Din meta dawl il-fatatina jitbaxxa fil-film, jerħula l-ġewwa, ċorma labar fil-laħam. Iċartu il-vikussu tudnijiet tiegħu innifsu. Ta' 20 ikun bejta xewk madwar qalbu. Iwebsuha f'oxra ċatta jalqu fuq u jafġuh fija ta' 30 ikkalzrat fi ġlieda li ma jistax jiġġustifika. Issa qalbu aksa imbażura, imma fija xaq dawl irqiq ta' żġildet spiritu. Li fih it-tifel li kien u r-raġel li seta kien ifesfsu għad-dawl bati tal-istilel, sinfoniji mitfija, modi oħra li jkun